Hello, friends, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Stanley Kitchen. Hope everyone is doing fine and safe. So, today I have come up with an amazing recipe, which is a vegetarian recipe for a change. So, I'm going to cook today, which is porridge with lot of vegetables and masala. So, it can be a nice breakfast, can be a nice lunch, or it whenever you feel like you can cook it and have it. It's a very filling dish and a very healthy dish. So please do try this at home. It's very tasty, very amazing, very delicious, and very healthy as well. So without wasting any more time, let's hit the kitchen and let's start cooking. But please do subscribe, like, and share the channel as well. So let's start cooking now.
सो फ्रेंड्स, कुकिंग स्टार्ट करने के लिए सबसे पहले हमें दलिया को बॉईल करना पड़ेगा. सो आई एम टेकिंग 1 bowl ऑफ दलिया. दिस विल सर्व 4 people and I will add water to it. So I'm adding 3 glasses of water and pressure boil it for 2 whistle. Now most important thing, जो आप पानी का content है वो आप ज़्यादा रखेंगे. So I'm taking 3 glasses of water in it. Reason being कि कुक होने के बाद जो दलिया है उसको हम स्ट्रेन कर देंगे. सो जो दलिया है वो एकदम स्टिकी नहीं रहेगा, विच वी कैन ईजिली कुक एंड देन मेक अ नाइस वेजिटेबल मसाला दलिया आउट ऑफ इट. So as the dalia is getting ready, now the next step is to cook the vegetables जो हम use कर रहे हैं दलिया में. So on a pan I'm taking 3 glasses of water. Now जो vegetables हम डालेंगे which उसमें उसको मैंने finely chop करके रखा है. So first of all we will be adding 1 bowl of finely chopped potatoes. One bowl of green peas, a half bowl of finely chopped carrots, 1 bowl of cauliflower, and then we will add a half bowl of peanuts. So it's all up to you. जो भी आपके पास vegetables available होंगे you can use in this recipe. So now we will keep on boiling them and then we will strain it to use it in our final preparation. So next, now as the dalia is ready, we will start cooking the vegetables. So on a pan I've taken refined oil. Now I will add 1 bowl of finely chopped onions. Green chilies, all up to your taste. And now we will cook the chilies and the onions till the onions turn golden brown. So as the onions and green chilies are nicely cooked, now we will add the next ingredient, which is finely chopped tomatoes. So I'm adding 1 tomato and cook it nicely जब तक oil separate नहीं हो जाता है, and then we will add the boiled vegetables in it. So now friends, you can see that the onion, tomatoes, green chilies are nicely cooked. Now we will add the boiled vegetables in it and cook the vegetables for another 5 to 10 minutes. So you can see that the vegetables are nicely cooked. ये जो water है वो भी अच्छी तरह dissolve हो चुका है. Now we will add the masalas in it. So we are adding salt as per our taste. Then we will add 1 tablespoon of haldi powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of sabji masala, and then we will cook the masala nicely with the vegetables for around another 5 minutes. So friends, you can see that the masala and the vegetables are nicely cooked. So you'll come to know that the masala is cooked. You will see a little bit of oil on bottom of the pan. So that's the time you should know that the masalas is nicely cooked. And now we will add the main ingredient in it and mix it nicely. So our main ingredient is the boiled dalia. So we will mix the dalia and we will mix the dalia nicely with all the vegetables. So now you can see that the dalia and the vegetables are nicely mixed. So we will cook it for maybe 1 or 2 minutes on a very low flame. And now you can see that after 1 or 2 minutes, your dalia, your vegetable and the masala dalia is absolutely ready. Now the most important thing is when we take it out on a serving bowl, just add 2 big spoons of desi ghee in it. So this is the main ingredient which actually gives the nice flavor to your dalia. And then just garnish it with finely chopped coriander leaves. Leave it for some time, for maybe like 15-20 minutes, so that the dalia absorbs the desi ghee and the freshness of coriander leaves, and then it's ready to be served. So friends, please do try this at home. It's one of the best and amazing and delicious recipe. Very healthy and very tasty, and I'm pretty much sure that you will enjoy this amazing dish. Friends, please do subscribe, like, share and comment to my channel, and more videos will be coming out every week. Till then, take care. Goodbye.